Hi friends, welcome to Telugu Tech SP YouTube channel. This is Suresh. Government of India has released Padma Shri awards in the year 2021, and these Padma Shri awardees names and their states and their sectors has been useful for all the competitive exams in 2021 and 2022. So let's go into our video. First Padma Shri awardee is Jagadish Lal Ahuja. He got Padma Shri in Social Work Service and he is from Punjab state and he has 84 years old. He has been selflessly organizing langars for 500 plus poor patients daily for over 2 decades. And second, Rahibhai Soma Popere, and she got Padma Shri in organic in agriculture and she was from Maharashtra and 56 years old. Self-taught tribal woman, famous globally for her work in agro-biodiversity conservation, particularly of indigenous varieties. Musical Pankaj Akshi. She's from Kerala, 70 years. She got award in art property. The only practitioner of Nukkuvidya Pavakkali, a traditional property art. Muhammad Sharif. He got award in social work service. He is from Uttar Pradesh and his age is 80 years. Bicycle mechanic who has been performing the last rites of thousands of unclaimed dead bodies of the last 25 years. Ravikannan. He got Padma Shri in medicine oncology services. He is from Assam and his age is 55 years. A medical messiah for cancer patients in remote Barak Valley. Harakala Hajabba. He got Padma Shri from social work in affordable education. He is from Karnataka state and he was 64 years old. A fruit vendor who devoted his life and life's earnings towards educating others. Next, Usha Chomar. She is a social worker in sanitation and she is from Rajasthan. She has 53 years of age and former manual scavenger who through decades of services has become president of Sulabh International at the forefront of environmental sanitation. Tulasi Gowda. She was a social worker and she was from Karnataka state and she was 72 years old. Halaki tribal woman known for possessing endless knowledge of plants and herbs. Abdul Jabbar. He was a social worker and he got award in the social working service and he was from Madhya Pradesh and 63 years old. Fought for fair and treatment and rehabilitation of Bhopal gas tragedy survivors for over 3 decades. Next one, Ramakrishnan. He got Padma Shri for social working in Divyang. So he was from Tamil Nadu state and 65 years old. A neck down, fully paralyzed social worker who is India's biggest name in rehabilitation of Divyang. Next, Yogi Aaron. Medicine in affordable healthcare. He is from Uttarakhand and 81 years. He has been treating burn and bite victims for free in the Himalayas for over 35 years. Next, Muna Master. He got Padma Shri in art, vocal and bhajan. So he is from Rajasthan and he is 61 years old. Muslim bhajan singer, epitome of India's syncretic ethos. So next one, Sundaram Vermagar, social worker and environment afforestation. He's from Rajasthan, 68 years old. He planted 50,000 plus trees in the arid areas of Rajasthan with 100% survival rate using just a liter of water per tree. Radha Mohan and Sabramati. Others. Agriculture and organic. Those are from the state of Odisha and their age was 76 and 47. Gandhian father, daughter duo of farmers who have converted a piece of degraded land into a vast food forest using only organic techniques. They used only organic techniques. Satyanarayan Mundayur, social work, affordable education from the state of Arunachal Pradesh, and he has the age of 69 years. A Keralite who has devoted his life to spreading the joy of reading in Arunachal. So friends, these people were the Padma Shri awardees of 2020 year. So if you like the video, just click on the like button, and if you want to see the further videos of our channel, please click on the red color subscribe button which is appearing in the down. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can comment. So thank you for watching.